This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Yaris clutch. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical surprises. Next, you will need to drain the transmission fluid completely. Finally, remove the front wheels and the inner fender liners to gain better access to the components. Now, let's get to the transmission. Begin by removing the starter motor and the clutch slave cylinder. Then, detach the shift linkage and the speedometer cable. It is crucial to support the engine properly before removing the transmission mounts. With the mounts off, carefully separate the transmission from the engine, which can be a bit heavy, so take your time. With the transmission out, you can now access the clutch. Unbolt and remove the old pressure plate and clutch disc. Take a moment to inspect the flywheel for any wear or damage. Resurfacing might be necessary. Install the new clutch disc and pressure plate, ensuring proper alignment with a clutch alignment tool. Don't forget to replace the pilot bearing and the release bearing for smooth operation. Now it's time for reassembly. Carefully guide the transmission back onto the engine, ensuring it seats correctly. Reconnect all components you removed earlier, working in reverse order. Refill the transmission with the correct type and amount of fluid, typically around 1.9 liters. Finally, test the clutch operation thoroughly and check for any fluid leaks before taking your Yaris for a test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.